Hey guys, I trust you are well. Today we'll solve this Harvard University entrance exam test question 8 to the power e times 4 to the power e equals 30. Then what's the value of e? So take a look. We can write 2 to the power cube bracket to the power e times 2 to the power 2 bracket power e equal 30. You know, 2 to the power cube equal 8 and 2 to the power 2 equal 4. So after that we have to use exponential equation formula. It is a to the power m bracket n equal a to the power m times n. So after using that, this we can write 2 to the power 3 times e times 2 to the power 2 times e equal 13. So after that we can write you know an exponential equation formula a to the power m times a to the power n equal a to the power m plus n. This formula help us to simplify this equation like this. We can write by applying this formula 2 to the power 3 times e plus 2 times e equal 30. So after that we can write this 3e plus 2e equal 2 to the power 5e equal 13. So here we have to use both side log 2 to the power 5e equal log 30. After that we have to use another exponential formula. It is log a power c equal c log a. So after we have to now apply this formula in here, then we can write 5e log 2 equal log 30. So here we have to now so please support us and subscribe our channel to getting this type of more solution classes which help you to enrich your brain and solving skill. Thank you. Divided by both sides with log 2 by log 2. Then this log 2 and this log 2 will be cancelled out. Then we can get the simplified equation is 5 times e equal log. We can write this 30 as 2 times 15 divided by log 2. After that we can easily write here by applying exponential formula law, log 2 plus log 15 divided by log 2. So from here we can write 5 to the e equal log 2 divided by log 2 plus log 15 divided by log 2. This log to this log 2 will be cancelled out and we can get here 1. So after that we can write 5 to the power e equal 1 plus log 15 divided by log 2. So here we can simplify and write log 15 equals log 2 times log 3 times 5 divided by log 2. So after that we can write 5a equal 1 plus log 3 plus log 5 divided by log 2. Nothing else, we just use this exponential formula, log a times b equal log b log a plus log b. So after simplify this equation and using this exponential formula, this equation is looking like 1 plus log 3 by log 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2. So here we can write another exponential formula, log a by log b equal log a b divided by a. So here, after using this formula in here, then we can write 5e equal 1 plus log, this is look like b 2 and this is look like a, then it will be 2 to the power cube plus log 2 to the power 5. So after that we can write 5e equal 1 plus log 2 to the power cube plus log 2 to the power 5 divided by 5 divided by 5. Then this 5 will be cancelled out and we get the real formula value of e is 1 plus 1 by 5 log 2 to the power cube plus 1 by 5 log 2 to the power 5. This is the real answer. So thank you guys watching this video, and please subscribe for getting more good equation solving classes. Thank you.